Hey people! Someone asked me why do I always have classes inside and I should try and have it outside. So I thought I'd take their advice. And here I am! It's incredible out here. Thank you to my student who asked me to do a class outside. Yeah! Okay, so today's word on the beach I want to talk about is wave. Wave. Why? Because surfers need the wave. And so do we. We need the waves too. See? Them surfers over there? So to wave at its base is like that with your hands. You wave. A wave is also the vag. Okay? We call it the vag as well. The wave. Alright people? Haha! Okay. I gotta tell you a couple of things about waves. One is to wave off. I waved off goodbye to my troubles and I came to the beach for my holiday. That's the first wave, okay? Wave off means to wave goodbye, okay? Wave off. Wave aside is to ignore something. That's the second one. Wave aside is to ignore something that's in your focus and you decide to not think about it anymore. Wave it aside. Wave aside. Let's see. That's wave off, wave aside, wave aside. Third wave is wave through. Wave through is, you see someone coming your direction, you tell them that the way is good, tell them to keep going. You wave them through, see? Wave them through. See like the girl there? I waved her through. See that? Wave through, okay? I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere to do a dance. Let's see. Hey, I'd just like to report, Phrasal verbers, I caught a wave and it was awesome! Yeah! See you soon. Don't forget the wave.